Let us do the revision of the previous shlokas. Samarasya shloka sangraha dhyana shlokaha. Om Parthaya pratibodhitam bhagavata Narayanena swayam Vyasena grathitam purana munina Madhye Mahabharatam Advaitaamritavarshiniim Bhagavatim Ashtadashadhyayiniim Ambatvāmanusandadhāmi Bhagavat Gīte Bhavadveshiniim Yam Brahma Varunendra Rudra Marutaha Stunvanti Divyaistavaihi Vedai Sangapadakramopanisadaihi Gayanti Yam Samagaha Dhyanavasthita Tadgatena Manasa Pashyanti Yam Yoginaha Yasyantam na vidussura suraganaha Devaya tasmai namaha Vasudevasutam devam Kamsachanuramardanam Devaki paramanandam Krishnam vande jagadgurum Okam karoti vachalam Pangum langhayate girim Yat kripatamaham vande Paramanandamadhavam Parasharya vachasarojamamalam Gītārthagandhotkatam Nānākhyānakakesaram harikatha Sambodhana bodhitam Loke sajjana shatpadairaharaha Pepiyamanam muda Bhuyat bharata pankajam kalimalap pradhvamsina shreyase Atha Shrimad Bhagavad Gītāsu Mokshartham Yoga Pranali Samarasya Shloka Sangraha Shri Bhagavan Vacha Aneka Chitta Vibhrantaha Mohajala Samavritaha Prasaktah Kama Bhogeshu Patanti narakeshu chau Urdhvam gachanti sattvasthaha Madhye tishthanti rajasaha Jaghanya gunavrittisthaha Adho gachanti tamasaha Chaturvidha bhajante mam Janas sukrutinorjuna Arto jignasurartharthi Jnani cha bharatarshabha Kayena manasa buddhya Kevalairindriyairapi Yoginah karma kurvanti Sangam tyaktvatma shuddhaye Uttamah purushasthvanyaha Paramatmetyudakritaha Yo lokatrayamavishya Bibhartyavyaya Ishvaraha Tasmat shastram pramanam te Karya karya vyavasthitau Jnatva shastram vidhanoktam Karma kartumi arhasi. We will do the chanting of this. Sama dukkha sukha swasthaha. समलोष्टाश्मकाञ्चनः समदुःखसुखस्वस्थः समलोष्टाश्मकाञ्चनः Only one change. Here we are chanting the one half together. So whenever Visarga comes, the Sakara should be replaced. So it should be, if you are chanting it together, it will be Sama Dukkha Sukha Swastha Samaloshtasma Kanchanaha. One more time all together. Tulya priya priyo dhiraha. Tulya nindatma samstutihi. तुल्य प्रिया प्रियो धीरस्तुल्य निंदात्म संस्तुतिः Together the whole shloka sama dukkha sukha swastha samaloshtasma kanchanaha tulya priya priyo dhirastulya nindatma samstutihi sama dukkha sukha swastha samaloshtasma kanchanaha tulya priya priyo dhirastulya nindatma samstutihi.
Suprabhatam, Suswagatam. Whole essence of yoga is brought out in this particular shloka. That is bringing balance. Samatvam yoga uchyate. Yoga is to bring balance. What level says? Sama dukkha sukha. We all get sukha and dukkha. So sama dukkha sukha. Swastaha. Sama loshta ashma kanchanaha. Sama loshtaashma kanchanaha. Tulya priya priyaha dhiraha. Tulya nindatma samstutihi. Whether it is sukha dukkha or the priya or apriya or ninda and atma samstuti or ashma or loshta. So in all these things you have equanimity. That is the growth process that happens in yoga. Initially we all react. When you have dukkha, you get depressed. When you get sukha, you get excited. This is a normal thing. When you get the desired fruit, good money and good share market, you are all excited. Then when it goes down, you are all depressed. Somebody comes and praises you, you are all be very happy. Somebody starts criticizing you, you get depressed. So this is the normal reaction that we all have. But we all have the freedom to change this reaction. That is called divinity in man. So use the divinity to change ourselves. And that is yoga. Whether it is Gnana Yoga, Raja Yoga, Bhakti Yoga, Karma Yoga, there are common factors that is being brought out in this Samarasya Shloka Sangraha. So what are the things that happens when you practice, whether you are practicing a Bhakti Yogi, or a Gnana Yogi, or a Raja Yogi, or Karma Yogi, whatever you are doing, this samatva should come. You must use that freedom to maintain equanimity. Samatvam yoga uchyate. At the body level, the autonomic balance, endocrine balance, left-right brain balance, and balance in all functions of our organs and systems in the body. Everywhere there should be a balance. That balance is the key essence of this thing. Because that balance leads us to the state of complete silence, total pure consciousness. It is beyond space-time causation, takes it into moksha. Therefore, Krishna has been giving this wonderful shloka in this thing which we talked about, samatvam yoga uchyate.
सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः.